If you have issues with Hotspot on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issues. So first of all, we're gonna open settings. Now over here in settings, you can of course go to personal hotspot over here, or you can also go to cellular or mobile data in order to find personal hotspot in here. So make sure that of course this option is enabled. Secondly, we can check our password if you want to edit it, and then you can do that over here. But I think the most important option over here is this one, maximize compatibility. So if your Wi-Fi cannot be detected by other devices, even though your hotspot is enabled, then you want to enable this option. This will reduce the performance a little bit of your hotspot, but we will provide compatibility with most of the devices. So if your other device is a little bit older, then you might need to enable this option to make sure that your Wi-Fi can be detected. Besides that, remember that we need to use cellular or mobile data in order to have the personal hotspot. As you can see now, it is gone. We cannot open it, we cannot access it. So the cellular data is important as well. You want to make sure that it is running just fine, and you want to make sure that the correct SIM is used in case you have more than one SIM, of course. This might also you might need to disable the cellular data switching over here just to make sure that you can actually stay with the correct SIM all the time, but that is in just specific situations, so you can try that out. And that's pretty much all you can do in order to try to fix your issues with the hotspot. But one more thing that I have to mention is of course the reset of network settings, but only if you actually have issues with the cellular data or mobile data. So in that case, you want to open general settings, scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, and then over here you want to choose reset. You should be able to find reset network settings. Keep in mind that it will reset all network settings, so this also includes not only the cellular data, but also Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So you will have to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices again after resetting these networks. But you should be able to also fix issues with the mobile or cellular data. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.